consider. Therefore, I have preached to them today, we celebrate Easter, the resurrection of Jesus. But we have a reason to pray for the resurrection. For our community, is the message of Our Lady of Lava, who appeared in Vietnam 200 years ago. And her message is for us a guidance, a light to go to pass of the first millennium. And we will live and pray and be witness of hope as the Holy Father called us. And we pray that we will be faithful to the message of Our Lady of Love. Thank you.